Whenever we gaze the dark sky, we often wonder about our past and the origin of universe. The formation of galaxies, the birth of stars have always fascinated us. So what if we were able to look in the past and see through the time to look for the origin of universe? Well, we can. But how exactly? Well, let's find out. If you want to look back in time, you need to look up. Everything you see in the sky is past. For example, when you see our natural satellite moon at night, you see the moon of past. As moon is 380,000 kilometers away, it takes around 1.3 seconds for the light to travel from moon to us. So we see the moon not as it is, but as it was 1.3 seconds ago. It's not hard to look beyond the moon and further back in time. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away, so light needs approximately 8 minutes to reach our eyes. Even our nearly planetary neighbors, Venus and Mars, are tens of millions of kilometers away, so we see them as they were minutes ago. Our neighboring planet Mars, when far from Earth, takes around 20 minutes for light to reach Earth. So when a person from NASA driving the rover at 1 km per hour actually sees the rover 200 meters behind from where it really is. That is why Martian rovers travel at very slow speed of around 0.2 km per hour to avoid any hazards. Now let's go a bit further out in our solar system. At its closest to Earth, Saturn is still more than a billion kilometers away. So when we look at Saturn, we see it as it was more than an hour ago. So when NASA plunged Cassini-Huygens into Saturn's atmosphere, we were hearing echoes from spacecraft that had already destroyed more than an hour before. Now getting out of solar system into interstellar space, the distances are measured in light years. It corresponds to distance traveled by light in 1 year. So when we see Alpha Centauri, which is 4.27 light years from Earth and is the nearest star to our solar system, we see the star as it was more than 4 years ago. To put it in your perspective, if you are on some distant galaxy like Andromeda looking at Earth using powerful telescope, you would be watching dinosaurs walking on the Earth. Our universe is around 13.8 billion years old. So if we use our powerful telescope, we can look back almost the entire history of our universe. In December 2012, astronomers announced that Hubble Space Telescope have discovered 7 primitive galaxies, with EGS 8p7 being the farthest. They all are located over 13 billion light years away from us. This means the light has been traveling to us for more than 13 billion years, from a time when the universe was less than 4% of its current age. So ultimately, these galaxies were from 380 million years after the Big Bang. This discovery is exciting because it might give us an idea of how galaxies first start forming. The discovery have made it sure that the day is not far away when we will be able to see through time and look at the formation of first galaxy, first star and the origin of universe. So remember, whenever you look up in the sky, you are not seeing things as they are now, but you are seeing things as they were.